I'm gonna show you why Facebook is still the #1 social platform for businesses. Of course, you're here, you know that it's important, but you're gonna leave here and you're gonna say, I love Facebook. Yes, that's gonna be your mantra. You're gonna sleep with this. I love Facebook, I love Facebook. Digital technology is no longer a valuable addition to business. It's a core element of remaining viable.
So I came into the workshop not really knowing what to expect other than a makeover, right, for my Facebook page, my business page, which I think I did an okay job with. But surprisingly, I actually did learn several things. And so sometimes the obvious things aren't so obvious, and you need the expert like Simone to be able to point those out. And since I'm an expert in my field, I want to rely on the experts in the other fields. And so that's what I find with Simone and with the workshop. It was fantastic.
Perfect, the light had to be perfect. And now, because we are in the connection era, people to connect, they need to know who you really are, right? They can tell when it's fake.
I came in being a little bit afraid of the settings and the nuances and what exactly to do to my page. And now I love Facebook.